So, you know, I was just going through history class and extra science class too.
Yeah.
I was like clean out. I was asleep.
Oh my gosh, dude. Me too. It's like, so
dude.
tired.
I'm stanky, bro. I'm sorry. Like,
Hey, you need deodorant.
what's deodorant?
Deodorant is a fresh new product on the market. It doesn't make your pits stink. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. So fresh. See this? 48-hour protection from odors. That's how we need it.
What kinds of odors does it protect me from, Matthew? Is it
Powerful odors. Deodorant. How do you even use this? How do you even use? All right,
wait,
I'll tell you.
Quick question. Can I eat the deodorant?
You're telling me you asked me if you could eat deodorant?
Well, yeah. What if I got hungry during class or something?
You don't eat deodorant. It's
Okay.
supposed to protect you from odors.
What
I
kinds
know.
of odors?
I know you're not talking to me right now and asking me
All right,
if you can eat deodorant.
Continue.
Thank you. So, first step to using deodorant, gotta open this. Look at that. Look at that. Close in on that. Zoom in on this. Zoom in on this. Look at that. It's beautiful.
Wait. Quick question. Did someone eat that part?
Just relax.
Okay.
No one eats deodorant.
Okay.
I don't eat deodorant.
But
I don't know a person in the world.
maybe they got hungry.
No one gets hungry and eats deodorant. They don't go into their backpack and go like, man, I'm hungry, and then they see right next to their math book,
I'm sorry. Okay.
deodorant.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Continue.
So, second step to use deodorant. How do you use deodorant? I'll tell you. Raise your arm. First step. A lot of people screw up on this step, right? Because what happens is they'll go like this and then they'll never smell good. Never smell good. All right? So, they raise their arm. Right? Take this.
All right.
Now, what you gotta do, no, you take it and you rub your pit with it. Go ahead. That's how you do it. Second step, complete. Third step's pretty simple, okay? You take it, see how it gets like really high up sometimes? You wanna push it down. Do you wanna use your finger? No, your finger's disgusting. It's got like germs and stuff all over it. No, you take this, you push it down, or you can do this, but like sometimes it never works. Go right like this. See up on top?
Whoa.
Then you take it off, and you get a napkin or something and you wipe it off. Hey, no. Hey. Okay. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you use deodorant.
Okay.
Market. It doesn't make your...
Can I eat it? Like, can I eat the deodorant?
You just asked if you could eat deodorant. Oh, how do you use it? I'll tell you how. You take this, right? Oh, relax. Oh, so, what's a pit? This thing! Hey, thank you for what? Come on, man.
Sorry.
Thank you for watching our video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Very appreciated. Anything to say?
This video was completely satirical.
All right, thank you.